Welcome students. Students, today our subject is EVS class 5th chapter 7 first aid topic heat stroke. Students, in previous topic we have learned about first aid. Incident happens often in our life. We should always to prepare to face such situations. These can be happen due to many reasons, like being in hurry or work carelessly. Such incidents can be happen anywhere, at home, on the road, on the playground, or at schools. We need some immediate help to situations like this. This kind of help is called first aid. Students, today our topic is heat stroke. The question arises, what first aid should be given to the victim of heat stroke? During the month of May and June, it is very hot. In some northern part of our country, we experienced a very hot and strong winds called Loo in these days. Due to the heat, the temperature outside is also very high. If we remain out in the suns during this period for a long period, we feel giddy, tired, and get a headache. These are the symptoms of heat stroke. Now the question, what first aid should be given to the victim of heat stroke? Students, यहाँ मैंने कुछ पॉइंट लिखे हैं. Number 1, make the patient lie down in the shady place. तो बच्चों, हमें क्या करना चाहिए? अगर किसी पेशेंट को हीट स्ट्रोक आ जाए तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? उसे एक छायादार जगह पे लेटाना चाहिए. Number 2, in case of high fever, a cold sponge is helpful. In case of high fever, अगर पेशेंट को ज़्यादा बुखार हो तो उसे एक पट्टी पानी में भिगोकर उसके माथे पर रखनी चाहिए, सर के ऊपर या माथे पे. Number 3, give the patients a solution of salt, sugar and lime. तो पेशेंट को एक सोल्यूशन देना चाहिए, किसका बनाकर? साल्ट का, शुगर और लाइम का. ये तीनों चीज़ें मिक्स करके इसका सोल्यूशन बनाकर पेशेंट को देना चाहिए. या फिर यू कैन आल्सो गिव द जूस ऑफ एन अनराइप मैंगो, या तो फिर आप पेशेंट को अनराइप मैंगो का जूस दे सकते हो. थैंक्स स्टूडेंट्स.